So I'm gonna do a series on the gene keys and the pathways. And this is because those systems like the gene keys, human design, astrology, they can seem pretty complex, and they are. And that's because there are a lot of layers and different lenses that we can apply to look at something. But the gene keys has these pathways and keywords that can facilitate to actually bring something more tangible for us to contemplate and to work on. So starting off, this is a gene key profile, and it is a holographic profile, meaning everything is connected, just like this reality. And the pretty fascinating thing is that this is directly connected with our DNA. So there are 64 keys. Each one is related to an amino acid. And we have in our DNA 64 codon combinations. And it is said that 90-80% of our DNA is junk DNA. This is translated to a lot of things that we carry, like unique gifts and abilities, even shadow patterns. They are dormant inside of us. Dormant equals unconscious. Remember what I always say, consciousness needs matter to be manifested. That's why we come here into physical form. And one of the laws of this reality is the law of mentalism, where everything starts from our mind. The way we perceive this reality, the lens that we choose to apply is what changes everything. There comes the extremely important part of us understanding the systems and our placements, because the moment that we bring awareness to something is the moment that stops being unconscious, and then we can activate that thing within us. So I will follow the pathway that is recommended, which is activation sequence, Venus sequence, and Pearl sequence. But that does not mean that there is a step-by-step to be followed. It's just because I have to choose a path. But in reality, as this is a holographic profile, unlocking one key can literally unlock a bunch of pathways and different keys in our profile.